So let's say you want to hang heavy artwork or a mirror, and you don't want to have 7 years bad luck. What's the best kind of wall anchor to use? And so with so many wall anchor options, which is the best one and why? Notice most over-the-counter wall anchors have a number as far as what it's rated to hold. Even the little packs will be rated for 20 or 35. Hardware is included with the appliance or shelf or wall hanging just to say that it's included. It's not really dependable. So let's go through these. Of course, your safest bet is going to drive directly into the stud. So you're going to use your stud finder and find the stud and drill your screw straight into the stud. But what if you can't find the stud? You might just try driving your screw straight into the drywall and trying your luck that way. These deco nails are rated up to 20 pounds. This picture hanger by Ook is rated up to 30 pounds. A lot of times you'll have just a plastic sleeve that the manufacturer provided. As with any wall anchor, be careful not to make your hole too big. And drive your screw into the anchor that came with the shelf. Your more traditional plastic anchor comes in various sizes and weight. Again, make your hole, being careful not to make it too big, and drive your anchor in. Then drive your screw in. Then we have this claw that's rated up to 45 pounds. You can see it simply just hooks in the drywall. We've got the triple grip Cobra, also rated for 35 pounds. Screw goes in and it spreads in three different directions. This is the Project Source hollow wall drive anchor, and it spreads kind of like a toggle. This one requires you to drill a 5/16 pilot hole, drive your wall anchor, and grab it so the teeth actually penetrate into the drywall. And now we can tighten up on that. I don't know how we're going to hang on that one. My personal favorite is the self-tapping wall anchor, just because it's so easy to use. The self-tapping wall anchor fits a Phillips head. Push it in, and then let the threads grab it. Then you can drive your screw. This is rated up to 79 pounds. The Easy Anchor drywall toggle boasts that there's no pre-drilling required. It also has a Phillips head. Point the tip in, and it's going to drive itself home. So that is the drywall toggle. And tighten against the toggle. And back it off just so you have enough head to grab. Then you have your traditional toggle bolt. This one again requires a pilot hole. The problem with a toggle is putting a square peg through a round hole, and listen for it to spring load pop. Plastic toggle is rated up to 143 pounds. Again, drill size 5/16. Fold your plastic toggle and feed it in the hole. Then we have the Ook 200-pound drywall hanger. I've never seen this before. Make a hole in your drywall and feed the hanger through. Push it through at that angle, then bring your plate up into position. Drive your brads that come with the Ooks, that 200-pound drywall hanger, in place. A buddy of mine asked me to try this self-tapping drywall anchor. What it does is, as the screw goes in, it flares out and the teeth bite against the inside of the drywall. They brag that you're not supposed to do any pilot hole. Now our mirror is 10 pounds, so we're going to start off with the 10-pound weight. You see that daylight there? This guy. That's still holding. That's holding. No problem there. 40-pound wall anchor. This is straight into the stud. That ain't going nowhere. No issue. No issue. No issue. And the big dog. So any one of these could handle our 10-pound mirror alone. Let's go straight to 50. Beastie Boy, holding strong. Let's try this wall anchor. 78. Wow. Impressive. That's our toggle. That one's rated for 60. It's not the prettiest hold you've ever seen, but it's kind of holding. He's holding. Surprisingly, that guy is only rated for 30 pounds. He's holding. Oh, that does not look good at all. I'm going to call that a fail. And just so we can see, like in true Mythbusters fashion. Okay. That came out. This picture hanger is rated for 45 pounds. It's kind of holding. This guy's rated for 28. I'm thinking no. And this is how it fails over time. Because these smaller ones don't have that much bite. It doesn't have much spread in the anchor. I'd call that a fail. And this little guy that came with the shelf, seconds. What about this decorative brass picture hanger? Seconds. Not even. No. So if you're going to trust that mirror or TV to a wall hanger, make sure it's the right wall hanger. Also, if you want to see the painter's tape mirror hanging trick, click the image on your screen now.